but it's similar. Then you are now going to division. Remember, multiplication is addition of indices, inverse addition of indices, and division is going to be subtraction of the indices. Okay, so let's see how this one. Question number what?
12. 16 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 4 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 32.
16 raised to power x minus 3 divided by 4 raised to power
x plus 1
x plus 1 equal to
32.
Okay, so we are going to have a common base here. Which common base can we have? It is 2, because I can raise all of them. I can make all of them to have the base of 2. So the common base here is 2. So this 16 becomes 2 raised to power 4. So what I have as 16 is 2 raised to power 4 bracket. That 4 will multiply the index of 2, the index of this 2. That's 4 will multiply the index, which is x minus what? X minus
3.
Then divided by 2 raised to power 2 bracket. 2 raised to power 2 bracket. What's the index of 4 there?
X plus 2 raised to power 2 bracket x plus 1.
So 2 raised to power 2 bracket x plus 1, because the index of 4 here is x plus 1. So remember, 4 is 2 raised to power 2. So that 2 will multiply the index, which is x plus 1, then equal to, then that 32 is 2 raised to power 5. So what I now have is 2 raised to power 4 bracket x minus 3 divided by 2 raised to power 2 bracket x plus 1 equal to 2 raised to power 5. Then I will not cancel now. I will use the law of division. Law of division says that I have to subtract the index of the divisor from the one it is dividing. So I'm going to have 2 raised to power 4 bracket x minus 3 minus 2 bracket x plus 1 equal to 2 raised to power 5. Then what we now have is what we now have is 2 bracket 4. 2 raised to power 4 bracket x minus 3, you close the brackets, times 2 raised to power 2.
Divided
by 2 raised to power 2, you open bracket x plus 1, you close the bracket, equal to 2 raised to power 5. Remember that law of indices say that division, you subtract the index of the divisor. So what we are going to have is 2 raised to power 4 bracket x minus 3, close the bracket, minus, because of division, minus 2 bracket x plus 1 equal to 2 raised to power 5. So I repeat, 2 raised to power 4 bracket x minus 3, close bracket, minus 2, you open bracket. I put this minus because of division. X plus 1, close bracket, equal to 2 raised to power 5. Now that we have 1, 2 on the left and 1, 2 on the right, we cancel them. So we are left with 4 times x gives me 4x. 4 times minus 3 gives me minus 12. Minus 2 times x gives me minus 2x. Minus 2 times plus 1 gives me minus 2 equal to 5. So what I have now is 4x minus 12 minus 2x minus 2 equal to 5. So what I now have is 4x minus 2x equal to 4x minus 2x equal to 5 plus 12 plus 2. 5 plus 12 plus 2. So what I have is 2x equal to 19. 2x equal to 19. And therefore x equal to 19 over 2. X equal to 19 divided by 2, which gives me 9 whole number 1 over 2. Which gives me 9 whole number 1 over 2. Okay, so. And what does the next one look like?
Number 13. 5x raised to power 4 is equal to 40x.
So we begin to have things that appear different. 5x raised to power 4 equal to 40x. So I will change this to x over 4, x raised to power 4, all over x equal to 40 over 5. I repeat, x raised to power 4 over x equal to 40 over 5. You see, I just change it in such a way that when I cross multiply it, I will come back to where I started. So I repeat, x raised to power 4 over s equal to 40 over 5. Not 5 over 40, but 40 over 5, so that when I cross multiply, I will still get the same thing. And remember, division, when we are dividing numbers with the same base, it becomes subtraction. So I have x raised to power 4 divided by x raised power 1. That x means the same thing as x raised power 1. So x raised power 4 divided by x raised power 1 equal to 8. And x raised power 4 minus 1, because division involves subtracting the indices. X raised power 4 minus 1 equal to 8, which implies x raised power 3 equal to 8. 8 raised power 3 equal to 8. The suggested index here is 3. So I'll make 8 to have index of 3. And that will give me 2 raised power 3. So what I have now is x raised power 3 equal to 2 raised power 3, because 2 raised power 3 is the same thing as 8. Then 3 cancels 3, and I now have x equal to 2. So the answer becomes